Top stories from around the island. To the point. Without the fluff. Puerto Rico headline news. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell notification.
Hello and welcome to Puerto Rico Headline News for April 17th, 2020. This is your COVID-19 update for Puerto Rico, and this is the Just the Numbers edition of this channel. So the headline for today, breaking news from El Nuevo Dia for April 17th, a young man, 29-year-old young man becomes the youngest victim of the coronavirus in Puerto Rico. So let's take a look and see what this article says. The Department of Health reported today that a 29-year-old man became the youngest victim of the coronavirus COVID-19 in Puerto Rico. Now, his death and that of another 88-year-old man brought the total number to 58. While confirmed cases increased to 1,068, that's 25 more than those reported yesterday. Now, according to the Department of Health agency, the death of the 29-year-old occurred in the Caguas region, while that of the 88-year-old in the from the Ponce region. Now, both cases had already been diagnosed with COVID-19 prior to their death. The article continues to mention of the new confirmed cases, 17 were obtained from private labs here on the island. 8 came from the Department of Health laboratory, and Veterans Hospital did not report any cases today. Now, in the most recent dashboard report, the total shows that 555 of the total cases are men and 513 are women. Also, according to the dashboard in Puerto Rico, the total amount of tests that have been taken so far increased to 10,410, of which 1,068 have been confirmed cases. 7,864 have come back negative, and we're still waiting for the results on 1,472 tests. Now, the age group that has the highest confirmed cases still are those between the age group of 50 to 59, with 239 cases, followed by the age group between 40 and 49 with 201 confirmed cases. And then the following group is that of the 30 to 39-year-old group with 153 confirmed cases. Now, the article continues to mention the Department of Health agency uh, in their portal mentions that they have 2,575 beds for adults that are already occupied. 829 are available, and that gives us a total of 3,404 beds here on the island. And it doesn't matter, it says mentions here, it's irrespective of whether they have the coronavirus or not. Meanwhile, 771 ventilators are available for patients for from a total of 1,020 that they have. We have this graph just as a visual aid to give us an idea of the situation here in Puerto Rico. Just a snapshot for today. We have the yellow or the orange line are pending cases or pending test results. The red are the confirmed cases of the coronavirus, and the black line are the amount of deaths that have occurred so far on the island. I also wanted to just quickly discuss a little bit the Puerto Rico COVID-19 information portal. I do provide a link in the description of this video, so you can visit the site as well. But just a brief overlook of what these sections are, what they mean. The portal is only in Spanish as of now. So here in this top right left-hand corner, we have the amount of confirmed cases. We have the breakdown in this pie chart of how many are confirmed, have come back negative, and how many are pending. And inconclusive cases. And then we have the total amount of deaths that, because of the coronavirus. We have this really detailed map here of Puerto Rico, shows us the amount of confirmed cases by municipality, and then you can switch over here uh, for the region. And the San Juan area continues to be the region with the highest confirmed cases in the metropolitan area. And this gives us a bar graph showing us the metropolitan area being the highest with confirmed cases, the total amount of beds that are available on the island, how many of them are occupied at this point. There's 2,575 beds that are being used. 829 are still available. And then in regarding the ventilators that are on the island, there's 1,020 ventilators, of which 249 are currently being used. So 771 are still available. So based on this information, it looks like we're pretty okay as far as the amount of ventilators that are available, the amount of beds, and then as well as the intensive care rooms. We have 291 that are available, and 357 are being used right now. And then the other one that's good to know is the amount of rooms with negative pressure, and these are used for COVID-19 and any other infectious disease that is air that can be caught from the air. And here we see there's a total of 327 of these negative pressure rooms, of which 157 are being used, and we still have 170 that are available. So this is your information. This Just the Numbers edition for Puerto Rico. Thanks for watching. This is Puerto Rico Headline News.